For the first time in history, your next phone might actually be a downgrade from the one in your pocket. Because in just 12 months, memory prices have exploded by 300%. This is the hidden tax of AI. For decades, the tech deal was simple. Every new device had to be faster, better, and stronger. Your dream of a 16-gigabyte phone? It's becoming an endangered species. This isn't because innovation is dying. It's because the world's resources are being hijacked. Major tech outlets are already reporting a massive memory shortage. The culprit? Artificial intelligence. AI servers are devouring a special type of memory called high-bandwidth memory. And here's the problem. The same factories building HBM for AI are the ones that make the RAM for your phone and laptop. Your devices aren't the priority anymore. To make matters worse, the entire global memory supply is controlled by just 3 companies. And they've made a strategic choice: prioritize high-margin AI profits over everyday consumers. As Phison's CEO confirms, the rush into HBM was inevitable. The profit margins were simply too attractive to ignore. The shock is hitting home fast. A 32-gigabyte RAM kit that cost $150 is now pushing $500. For smartphones, it's an extinction cascade. Every downgrade at the top pushes more pressure down the entire lineup. Laptops face the same fate. Suddenly, 8 gigabytes is making a forced comeback as the industry standard. But one company is standing tall in this crisis: Apple. What once looked like a weakness now works in their favor. Their secret? Software efficiency, a locked-in supply chain, and massive scale. These give Apple a structural advantage. The market is so distorted that old DDR4 memory now costs as much as the newest DDR5. Analysts warn this won't end until 2027 or 28, when new factories finally come online. The AI revolution is building our future, but it's quietly downgrading our present. So, the next time you go to upgrade, check the specs very, very carefully. Today, it's memory. What other hidden trade-offs will AI ask us to make next?